Hi, this is Wes Fryer. It's December 22nd, 2020, and I'd like to show you how you can create these lovely quotations on the Kindle app for the iPad that are really ideal for sharing on Facebook or Twitter or social media or somewhere else. So you'll need to first open up the Kindle app on your iPad, and you'll need to highlight something that you would like to make into a quotation. And so I've been reading this lovely book by President Obama, A Promised Land. This is his new book. And so I guess I'll just do this one. So here's a quotation that I highlighted, and you just hold your finger down and you can drag these handles and you can select, what color you want the highlight to be. I'm reading in this dark mode. To create your Kindle quote, it doesn't matter how you're viewing it. But basically here, once you have selected something and you've highlighted it, there's a little choice here I call it the share square. It's between the write a note and the magnifying glass. And so you tap that, and then you have these different template options. I really like this last one here. It's got the little sort of silhouette view of I think it's a boy reading underneath a tree. And so anyway, that's my favorite one. So I'm going to go ahead and tap share, and then I choose save image. And so now that image is saved into my photos. So if I open my photos and take a look, here's the last image that's there. Now, what I actually have started, I think, doing in the last year or so is I'm actually going to save that and tweet that a little bit later, because I'm actually recording this for Claudia Swisher because she'd asked about this. I use my Notes app a lot on my iPad to just have things. Sometimes I find composing outside of the Twitter app, or especially Safari, is really wonky for me. That it's better to compose outside of that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go. I like to share on Twitter and basically share everything within a thread. So here's the first post that I said, hey, I'm reading this book, and then I've started to share these quotations. And so on Twitter, then this is called a thread, where you reply to the same to a tweet, and you just continue to reply in the thread along that. So I'm not going to reply to this original tweet. I'm going to come down here to the bottom where it says add another tweet, and then I'm going to tap to add a picture. And so there's my last quotation, and then I can say something like, and so I'll just change this to his Twitter. So whenever you are sharing on Twitter, if you can use somebody's actual ID, that is nice, because then they have an opportunity to actually see that in their replies. And then I'll use a hashtag, which I'm using the hashtag Promised Land. And that'll be it. I'll tweet that. Okay, so now that tweet is going to be added on to this thread. And so folks who happen to be following me on Twitter, it depends, but here, like, it shows this and then show this thread. And then you can see there it is. And then that's actually Claudia's reply here as well. So yeah, that's it. So hope you enjoy that. Again, in the Kindle app, all you need to do is find something that you want to make into a Kindle quotation, tap the share square, and then choose the template that you like the best. And then you can choose to share that to your photo roll on your iPad and go for it. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.